applause for the string quartet of the Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra, please. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Admiral Hotel M Gallery Collection. It is a beautiful afternoon to welcome you all to the annual Christmas tree lighting ceremony that we will be having this afternoon. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rocio Escanio, and what an honor it is to be your host. So you know, the holidays are really upon us, and tonight we celebrate not just the lighting of this beautiful tree behind us, but we celebrate the spirit of togetherness, of us being here, of giving and joy that defines this entire holiday season. So to formally welcome everyone to this beautiful event, we have a few words from our General Manager. A round of applause for Miss Janine Taylor.
Good evening, magandang gabi, good afternoon, maybe it's an early evening. Thank you, Rocio. Thank you, everybody, for coming. Thank you, Manila City Mayor Isko Moreno, for gracing us with your presence, and Vice Mayor Chia Tianza, thank you so much. And our DTCAM head, Crystal Bagatsing. I'd also like to thank all of my, I see Ivan from DOT, thank you also. I'd like to thank everybody who made your way. I know it's the start of the Christmas season, and Christmas starts early in the Philippines. We normally start in September, but so we rushed, and we're one of the hotels, the last hotels who are going to do the tree lighting. So thank you for taking your time to come here. I'd also like to thank my department heads, my executive committee, our kitchen team, our engineering team, the housekeeping team, and everybody who put the effort for tonight and every day to make the hotel what it is. Thank you again. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Again, GM Janine Taylor, thank you for welcoming everybody and for bringing the essence of the Christmas season. And now, we are very honored to have with us, as you may have heard GM Janine mention, somebody who has been a long champion of community and the Filipino spirit. A round of applause for an inspirational Christmas message, the Mayor of the City of Manila, Mayor Isko Moreno.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Hapon o tanghali, sabi nga ni Miss Taylor at 10 ng ating mga kasamahan dito sa Admiral Hotel, ang ating Vice Mayor, ang ating puro magaganda yung mga nasa kaliwat na sa kanan ko. Maswerte talaga, no, pag napapalibutan ka ng magaganda. Kasi maganda yung syudad ng Maynila. Crystal Bagatsing, Vice Chi, at ang ating host, maganda rin. Ang ating General Manager, maganda rin. Lahat maganda talaga sa Maynila. Magandang sunset. Look at that behind you. The famous sunset of Manila Bay. At napakagandang Admiral Hotel. Despite of all the challenges that we are facing economically and uncertainty in some other things happening in the national government, but we must continue to strive better and survive. And hopefully, in the case of City of Manila, if I may share to those, to our guests, tama-tama, mabilis lang tong English ko, mauubos na to. The City of Manila is enjoying growth for the past 4 months with regard to new businesses being registered officially in the city, on top of what we call underground economy growing in the likes of the Kampa, the new Ugbo 2.0, o mas kilala ng millennials na Fusion Alley, the same thing in Tondo, the same thing in Roseros, the same thing in Esplanade. There are so many things happening in the city of Manila nowadays, and I think we're going to be very busy and continue to invest in the Calao, Ross Boulevard, Top Avenue to Vito Cruz, or what we call Ermita Malate area. More to come in the city, and we would like to welcome you on behalf of the people of Manila. Sa lahat ng aming guests, I would like to welcome you to the city of Manila. Sabi nga ng kanta, welcome po kayo sa Manila. Now, I'm here to support the businesses in the city, and I'm very excited. I think ito na yung pinakamahal na Christmas tree ilawan ko itong taon na to. Napakaganda eh. Oh. You know, it's very seldom nowadays that kapis is being used. As you all know, I started doing kapis in my first term, putting up what you call kumukuti-kutita concept in the night time of the city of Manila. And I'm happy to see one again, especially in this beautiful hotel. So to the Admiral Hotel family, rest assured that you have a city government behind you all the way. Muli, sa lahat ng aming bisita, sa mga banyaga, Merry Christmas. Sa mga kababayan namin, maligayang Pasko, at mayawa ang Diyos, there will be a better new year for each and every one of us in 2026. Magandang gabi at pagpalain nawa kayo ng kung may kapal.
Thank you so much for that heartfelt message, Mayor Isko Moreno. And with that, as he said, we should all strive to be better. And with striving to be better means giving back. And at Admiral Hotel Manila, this year we're proud to share our platform with our advocacy partners who really make a real difference in their communities. So can I please call on to welcome our partner organizations, Ms. Elita Bondo.
Santa Claus. Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, Mayor, Vice Mayor, Ms. Cristal, and to all of our valued guests and clients and partners. Thank you so much po for taking the time to join us. Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Manila, always our partner. Thank you so much po. So, I'm actually very thankful to be given the chance and opportunity to talk about just a short introduction about our partners. So as we celebrate the spirit of giving and hope tonight, we're also reminded that true light comes from the good that we do together. This year, we're proud to partner with Haribon Foundation, Portion Project, and Girls Got Game. 3 incredible organizations that inspires action for the planet, for the animals, and of course for people. Through these initiatives with them, we continue to grow with purpose and beyond these walls, nurturing kindness, nurture, and empowerment. We also have one more partner, School of Sustenance. To talk more about this partnership, I'd like to call on our executive chef and executive sous chef, Chef Mock and Chef Mark.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining for tonight. And this moment is special for us because it's mark of the 1 year of partnership with SOS. It's building. The partnership is building for kindness, purpose, and sharing for value. Over the past year, we have worked hand in hand together to save food from the hotel, to bring it to the community, to the person who is need most. Ever since like small art of rescue have created a big hope. Reducing food, feeding family. Also, it's like remind us to sustainability to really is care of the person.
Bantige. I am representing Portion Project tonight. This is one of our rescues, Woody. He's actually a tripod. He was run over by a truck in Malabon back in 2022. And so we rescued him. I fostered him after a month long at the vet. And obviously it's a foster fail. So I eventually adopted him already. He's a little bit jumpy right now. He's still looking around, checking his environment. Potion Project, we are a duly licensed animal welfare organization. Potion Project Foundation, we started back in 2018. We actually originated in Bacolod. That's where our founder is from. We already have 2 shelters, one in Bulacan and one in Bacolod. We've been doing our rescue efforts since 2018, and it's actually our 7th year this year. Actually, our shelter in Bacolod has been badly hit by the recent typhoon